Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to go ahead and do a comparison in detail for the student tracking and analytics report, so for Teachable and for the Thinkific. If you're interested, make sure you check the video out till the end. The links to the Teachable and Thinkific are in the description below. Make sure you guys check that out as well. Let's dive into the video without wasting any time. So compare sales and revenue dashboards. When it comes to tracking your money and the students, you have to compare the sales and revenue dashboard. When it comes to tracking your money, both platforms do a great job, but they handle it differently. Teachable features a dedicated sales report. You just have to go and click on sales option and you will get all the analytics report right away. Because of their native payment gateway, they also handle complex tax VAT reporting for you. Thinkific tracks all your revenue and enrollment data beautifully into the analytics tab, but since you connect your own Stripe or PayPal account, you might find yourself logging into the external dashboard for the super deep financial breakdowns. So second step is analyze student progress and engagement. Likewise, I tell you in the topic. So Teachable allows you to go into the users tab to pull up individual student progress report, showing up exactly which lessons they finished and their quiz score. Thinkific, however, gives you a slight better bird's eye view with its student engagement, because it is incredibly easy to track cohort completions rate and the pinpoint the exact modules where the majority of your students are dropping off, so you guys can fix it. And if you want to check the video analytics, you guys can do it from there, and they both gives you the stats directly inside the course report. You get a retention graph that shows exactly how long students watch a specific video before clicking away. Thinkific heavily tracks lessons completion and quiz performance. And if you want to check third-party tracking integrations, like if you're running Facebook ads or Google ads, native analytics won't be enough. Both platforms make it incredibly easy to base your Google GA4, Google Analytics 4, and Google Tab Manager and Metapixels IDs directly into your site settings. This allows you to track ad conversations seamlessly. And the final verdicts on the analytics is that choose Teachable if your main priority is an incredibly clean all-in-one financial dashboard that handles your affiliate tracking, payouts, and tax reports natively. Choose Thinkific if you care more about deep students engagement metrics, cohort tracking, and want access to massive app stores to plug in specifically data tools. So then you have to go with the Thinkific. That's it for the video. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.